Hey guys, we're going in a car wash. Car wash. Say hi.
Bye.
Give me this.
Hang on. This is for you guys.
Hey, thank you. Appreciate it.
She's being really generous today.
It's cold outside and they're working in water.
Say hi.
I look fat. Get that off me.
Car wash. I'm gonna switch the camera around. We're in the car wash.
Nope.
We're in the car wash. Car wash.
Hey.
Oh, it's in neutral.
Oh, my butt's burning.
There's wipers. There's wipers. Oh my gosh. Oh, what is that? I haven't been in one of these in forever.
I go here once a week.
It smells so weird. And this looks so weird. They look like trees.
Triple foam.
They look like trees.
Here goes the triple foam.
Oh, it's so colorful. It's so colorful.
It's so pretty. Why is it pink there, but it's like yellow here?
It's pink.
It's pink here. Oh, that looks so weird. Spray, 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 spray. Spray. It's a waterfall. That's my favorite part. Man, I think I'm gonna go to here one day and just wash myself.
Oh, what was that movie? Another Cinderella story?
Yeah,
Where the two twins are like stuck on the outside of the car.
yeah. Super hair dryer. Look at that. Super hair dryer.
There's your car behind
It's
you.
super loud. Oh, there's a car right behind us. Oh no. Oh, wave. I'm waving to my own reflection. Ah, and we're done. Car looks nice. Well, that's all. This is Poop by 55 signing out. Say bye.
Bye.